Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing another love fight for you. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. And as I say that, Pisces, just saw a 555 on my clock for you. So, major changes. That's what 555s mean. Let's see what this read has to say for you. And, got me distracted for a second. Where was I? Anyway, let's start your reading. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And, oh God, the alarm's gone on now. See, look at the distractions. Give me a second. Let me just put that off. Okay. So first we had a 555, then my alarm went off. So now let's see what's going to come in for you. So as I was saying, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. The first card I have here is the Judgment card here, Pisces, for you. This is like a rebirth with the Ace of Swords and a Knight of Cups. Wow. Page of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. You have two aces here already, Pisces. Ace of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. The Emperor. Wow. Nine of Wands, Knight of Swords, and the Two of Wands. All right, Pisces. Bottom of my spread, believe it or not. Here's the Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups for you as well. What an amazing read till now. So there's lots of passion headed your way, Pisces, from what I see. Ace of Wands, center of my spread. I think somebody here wants a rebirth of a connection. If this is a past person, somebody wants to kind of clear the air maybe and talk to you, wants to come and maybe offer you something. They want to start from scratch. But it may end up in a fight because there may be somebody else around as well. I don't know. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. This seems to be an interesting reading today. Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Pisces and their person. Thank you. And Pisces, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Pisces, okay. Pisces and their person spirit. Thank you. And I'll take a couple more from here, Pisces. Pisces and their person. Thank you. All right, Pisces, good to go here. The first card here says, you were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You are my ultimate fantasy. Pisces, what are you up to? People are having fantasies about you now. We are getting older and wasting precious time playing these dumbass runner-chaser games. Let's just level the F up already. Are we doing this or what? So this could be somebody from your past returning, Pisces. When you ran, I felt like I lost my light and I plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I will never be the same again. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. I was there for you when you asked me to be, and even when you were silently suffering, I heard your soul cry out to me, asking for my support. I always showed up for you, but when I needed you, where were you? So there's a possibility that somebody may come back, Pisces, but it could end up in a little bit of a fight because there are complaints here from what I see. There's a lot of clearing of the air that needs to be done. I'm silent due to going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. We see this from two different perspectives. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. So there is somebody who's going to end up saying, I need time. Still have to make that decision. Just because somebody is coming back, that doesn't allow, you can't just allow somebody to trot in and out of your life whenever they want, right? Okay, so but the overall energy is the Ten of Cups, so I do foresee something good happening here. Let's start with an angel blessing card from my angels and see what blessing there is for you, or guidance, or advice, or message for Pisces. Pause. I think somebody wants to take a pause and decide whether they want to move forward or not, especially after somebody's behaved badly, right? So, or maybe you're going through a pause right now and this is yet to come. So let's start clarifying these cards, Pisces. What's this Judgment card, Spirit? Judgment card. Judgment. Somebody wants to return, Pisces. Somebody wants to return after, I think, you or the other person turned their back on each other. Somebody wants to come back and heal the situation again. My instinct was right. Yeah. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Yes, they want to drop the burden that's been there between the two of you, and they want to have some clear communication now. They want to talk, they want to have a conversation, and this conversation could be about love because it's a Knight of Cups coming towards you. Knight of Cups, Spirit. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. What do you want to say to us? They want to talk about, wait, I'll just tell you. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups wants to open up now, Pisces. Now, this Knight of Cups could be you, or you could be on the receiving end of this Knight of Cups. This Knight of Cups wants to come out of a feeling of feeling regret and sorrow, and they basically don't want to live with this guilt anymore. They want to make things right. Some things, I think, have happened within the two of you which created some bad memories. They're not happy that you guys are not together. In fact, they're going to probably tell you that I missed you, and I was lonely and feeling rejected and sad myself. There was no happiness in my life, no joy, and they are maybe going to admit to their selfish behavior. They do want to open up towards you. Why is that, Spirit? Page of Pentacles. What's this Page of Pentacles? Page of Pentacles. Yes, they're probably going to explain their bad behavior and admit that that's the reason it kind of stagnated. But now they want to tell you that if they had any options in the past, if they were behaving like a player or behaving in and out or trying to see if the grass was greener on the other side, they want to tell you that none of those cups matter anymore. You're the only cup that they want, right? So they've made some kind of a choice, some kind of a decision. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands, Spirit. Ace of Wands. They want to reveal some secrets about why they behaved in such a cold manner, or why they couldn't make a decision. They know that there's been a lot of injustice that's been done, but now they want to put all that behind, Pisces. They have realized they still have a lot of passion for you, and they do want to move towards making this right. They want to show up now as the Emperor, I think. What's this Emperor, Spirit? Who's this Emperor? Okay, see, look at the fast communication. They want to communicate big time. They want to come in and be that Emperor, I think, which they never have been for you in the past. Now, vice versa, you can always flip the energy. Emperor. Emperor, Spirit. Mr. Emperor, what do you want to say to us? Basically, they are very embarrassed and ashamed of how they've behaved in the past. They know that they never invested, they wasted a lot of time, and yes, they were in a very ungrounded place, maybe in their own life. Maybe their finances were not in order, or they were not seeing things in the correct light. But this person now wants to show up as their emperor. One more for the emperor. Yes, they've realized that you are the only cup they want. You are their two of cups. This person has been through the dark night of the soul, and I think realized that there's no one who can make them happy except you. And now this person wants to come back and take charge of this relationship. Okay, now let's see what's happening here. 9 of Wands in reverse. 9 of Wands in reverse. Knight of Swords in reverse. Knight of Swords in reverse. Ooh. And 2 of Wands. Excuse me. Okay. So I have a feeling when this person comes back, Pisces, you're probably going to tell them that they've been breadcrumbing you all along. Sorry, I had to pause the video for a second to have a sip of water. So Pisces, I think when this person returns back, you're probably going to tell them you've already given up, because they've been breadcrumbing you. They never gave you any emotional happiness. There's probably going to be a little bit of a fight because they'll feel that you don't want them anymore. You're dropping them. You are going to take your time this time, Pisces, from what I feel. You're going to keep them waiting. You're not sure that you even feel any love for them anymore, because since they've been gone, I think, Pisces, you found yourself. You found independence. You found that working on yourself and being by yourself and concentrating on your well-being and money and abundance is a good place to be in, and rather than get breadcrumb from somebody who's always been in and out of your life. This could lead to a little bit of a fight, I feel. Am I right, Spirit? Am I right here? Yes, you may turn down. They're coming in very excited, Pisces. They really want this big time, but you may turn them down initially. Okay, so but there is still hope here. Let's see, what's this 10 of Cups? Why was the overall energy the 10 of Cups, Spirit? Then 10 of Cups. I think, Pisces, for the time being, you're finding all your happiness in yourself. You are concentrating totally on yourself. And I think you're going to give them a chance. You're going to give them a chance to show you that, there is no more toxic energy left. They are going to transform the way they are claiming to, that, end the old cycle and brand new. You're going to wait and watch if they're going to put in any work now. Any real work. Okay, you're going to test them, from what I feel. You're going to test them. Are you capable of giving me this 10 of Cups? I want to see action. I don't want words. I don't want just passion from you. I want more than that. And if you can't give me that, I'm not accepting you. And that's going to really frustrate this person. But that's a good thing. A pause will be very healthy for you to make up your mind. Okay, Pisces, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste. This could also be happening energetically, by the way. They could be wanting to come towards you and feeling you push them away, and they're probably seeing you looking independent and happy. And yes, they should then go through this dark night of the soul to know if they come to you, then they have to come correct or not come at all. So till next time then, love and light. Take care.